Are you struggling to find healthy meal ideas that your whole family will love? Looking for delicious recipes that are both nutritious and can easily be prepared? Well, in this video, we got you covered with a collection of tasty and nutritious meal ideas to solve your mealtime puzzle. We'll start by discussing the importance of healthy eating, followed by practical and tempting recipes. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before we delve deeper into these delicious recipes, let's take a moment to uncover this incredible impact that healthy eating can have on our well-being. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to underestimate the profound influences of our food choices. But let me share a secret with you. What you eat has the power to transform your life. Imagine feeling energized, focused, and vibrant every single day. By nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods, you can unlock a world of benefits. But here's the exciting part. It's not just about you. When you make conscious choices and prioritize your well-being, you become a role model for your loved ones. You have the incredible power to shape their habits, ignite their taste buds with a nutritious delight, and set them on path of lifelong health. So, let's recap the undeniable significance of healthy eating. It not only safeguards against future health issues, but also fosters a vibrant and fulfilling life. By making mindful choices and embracing nutrition meals, we empower ourselves and our families to thrive. And now, let's move on the recipes that we promised. For number 1, we have quinoa salad. This meal idea is loaded with veggies and proteins. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber and low in fat, making it a great choice for a healthy meal. We will toss the quinoa with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and feta cheese. Then dress it with a simple vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. If you don't have mustard, just add a touch of chili. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Start small and adjust it to your taste. Feel free to customize this recipe by swapping out the veggies or leaving out the feta cheese. You can also serve it as a side dish with grilled chicken or fish for a complete meal. For second meal, we have turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Ground turkey is a leaner and lower fat alternative to beef. You will need the following ingredients: 500 grams of ground turkey meat, 1 piece of zucchini grated, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half teaspoon of light soy sauce, pepper and salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil for baking, 1 egg, and ingredients for the sauce are the following: 2 pieces of zucchini cut into noodles, 5 pieces of chopped tomatoes, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 2 basil leaves torn, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First, mix turkey, shredded zucchini, garlic, thyme, oregano, soy sauce, salt and pepper in a bowl. Mix all the ingredients well and form meatballs. Before you start forming the meatballs, dip your hands in cold water so that the dough does not stick to your hands. Then, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Place the meatballs in a pan and bake them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes and turn. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in another large pan and then add garlic, zucchini, peeled tomatoes, oregano, pepper, salt and basil. Roast approximately 10 minutes, mix and cover with a lid. If necessary, add 1 deciliter of water. When the sauce is cooked, put the turkey meatballs in it and cook covered for another 2 minutes. And your meal is ready. If you want, you can serve them with boiled or mashed potatoes. Thank you for joining us today on this flavorful journey of healthy meal ideas. Incorporating nutritious meals into your daily routine has never been easier. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with our latest tasty and nutritious meal ideas. Now, it's time for you to put your apron on. Try one of these recipes shared in this video, or get creative with your own healthy meal ideas. We would love to hear your thoughts and see your culinary creation, so don't hesitate to share them in the comment section. Thank you again for joining us today. We can't wait to see you in our next episode. Goodbye.